Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Ideogram for branding and logo concept. Let's get started. First, open your Ideogram app on your phone and sign in with your Google account to start generating. Then here, write a branding focus prompt. Type a specific text prompt that describes the brand or logo style that you want. And this is the prompt structure. Just type logo for, type your brand type, then its style, then type the colors and the symbol or icons, like this example here. Logo for a modern coffee shop with minimal style, brown and cream coffee cup icon. Then add a style and brand personality. Include a visual style and tone in your prompt. For example, minimalist for a clean or simple clutter, then luxury if you want elegant, fun and playful if bold or colorful, or tech or modern if you want futuristic or geometric or sharp fonts. And use logo specific keywords. Add words like centered logo, badge style, vector icon, no background, and more. And you can use negative prompts like no blur, no watermark, no busy background. And tap generate button and wait for a few seconds while Ideogram creates a four variations of your design. And after processing it, tap the image that you like and press the three dots and choose download to save your logo to your phone. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.